Welcome to the MotoGP Grand Prix here in Spielberg, Austria. My name is Markus Blasch, I'm the CEO of BMW M, and it's a very special day for us. Not because it's just MotoGP, but it is the world premiere of the M8 competition safety car that's standing here beside me on the stage. The M8 is the newcomer in our fleet of safety cars here at MotoGP, and it will prove from now on its capabilities leading the world's fastest motorcyclists around the globe. And as we developed the M8 together with the GTE from the beginning, the basis that we have here for a safety car is fabulous, and we will have a lot of fun with it. The M8 safety car was modified in our workshops in Garching near Munich, and we did not just put on the additional equipment that we need for a safety car as the roof lights, but we also put our entire range of M performance parts onto this car. This range, most of it, is available also on the production car that you see standing next to me. So let's go to the details of the front. Our designers made a very specific and iconic livery, especially for the safety car. We have a red foiled kidney grille, we have tailor-made carbon fiber flaps on the side. These are already M performance parts that are also available for the production car. High gloss black splitter, and then of course on the rooftop the LED flashing light. So as we move to the side view, what you see here is pretty much production standard. We have developed a bionic design 20-inch lightweight rim, which is available via M performance parts. It is very lightweight yet stiff, and we also see on the car the carbon fiber ceramic brake discs, and as a very neat feature, our new floating hubcap. As the rear is anyway my favorite perspective of the 8, on this special safety car we see a carbon fiber rear diffuser, a titanium specification performance exhaust system with carbon fiber end caps, and most importantly, directly taken over from the GTE race car, the rear wing. The interior of the M8 safety car is pretty much production car-like. We have as an option here the M Performance Pro steering wheel with carbon fiber details and Alcantara. We have the light control bar here on the center console, developed in-house. We use it for the control of the LED flashlights on the rooftop. We have race specification bucket seats from Recaro, a tailor-made roll bar, and a fire extinguisher system. So let's talk some facts and figures here. This engine is the most powerful engine we have ever launched in an M production car. 4.4 liter M twin turbocharged, 625 horsepower, 750 newton meters of torque. And this engine pushes the car in 3.2 seconds 0 to 100. And of course, we got a carbon fiber engine cover. What most of you don't know is that we also use the safety cars for internal development purposes. The M5, for instance, we tested the competition specification long before we put it into production. And also on the M4 we tested water injection long before it went into the M4 GTS. So I can't tell you what it is, but you can assume that we put something interesting under this bonnet as well. As the M8 is not the only safety car that we brought along, we brought the entire fleet of safety cars. I suggest we move on to the track and have some fun. BMW M and MotoGP have a 20-year-long cooperation in which we gathered a quite significant amount of safety cars. Brand new for Spielberg and brand new for this season to my right is the M8 competition coupe. In the back you see the M5, the previous safety car, the M2, the M3 that is actually driven by the race director, the M4, the M6 and the X5M medical car. And in the very back, the i8 that we use for Moto E. And also brand new this season, the S1000RR is our safety bike. Here we see the bike here with the M Sport package and in the actual World Superbike livery. So let's have a closer look to the brand new S1000RR safety bike. The bike you see comes in the original BMW World Superbike livery, and it comprises the M package. And the M package is not just about optics, it's not about the colors, it's about performance-driven content. And what we achieved with the parts on this bike is a further weight reduction of 3.5 kilos to a total of 193. And in combination with 207 horsepower and 113 Newton meters of torque, this bike reaches a top speed of 306 kilometers an hour. The parts that I mentioned are mainly the carbon fiber rims, a lightweight battery, a racing style seat, and a completely adjustable damper in the rear that is adjustable in both height and characteristics. So the M package, so to say, makes a true race bike out of the S1000RR. The weather can be tricky sometimes in Austria. We have a bit of a rain, but it doesn't really matter to us since we drive MX drive. So I suggest we have some fun now with the safety car here in Spielberg.